Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So, got another unboxing for you today. So my Bargain Bead Box came in. I don't even know what the theme is yet. I literally just cut it open, so we're gonna unbox it together. First things first, couple things to get out of the way. If you can, please watch my video without fast forwarding. I'm trying to get my watch hours up. Unfortunately, lately the numbers have been down, so now I need 1,200 hours instead of the 1,000 to get my 4,000. So, for those of you that watch all the way through, thank you so much. For those of you that kind of skip ahead and just look at things, please watch. It would help me out immensely. Anyways, with that being said, I am going to pull out this month's bead box. And it is Mystic Moonrise. Ooh. I already like the bag. I like the gray bag. That's pretty. It's like a grayish blue. And I already see some moon charms in there. So I'm going to set this aside. And we are going to take a look at this together. And sorry about shaking the camera. Let's see here. Ooh, I'm already dropping things on the floor. I really like this. I can already tell you I really like this. So, let me find number one here. There we go. Number one is a 30mm Laborite teardrop pendant. The beauty of these things is they've got the price on the bag, so I don't have to worry about doing my pricing. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there you go. You can see that in the shifting. I love Labradorite. Labradorite. I can never say that properly. I'm going to grab a feeding tray, because we're going to take this out. And I've got a bunny begging for cookies. Hi, Velvet. Hi, baby girl. I have to do some more videos of the bunnies. We had all hell break loose this week. Bunnies escaped. They got out. They were, like, I went hiking and came back and I was looking, you know, because there was ruckus. And I'm like, I'm missing a bunny. Where's the bunny? And she had gotten out and gotten into one of the other rooms that she was not supposed to be in with a bunny she wasn't supposed to be with. And I was like, oh dear God. Anyway, it was a thing. Everybody's fine though. Nobody was hurt. A few people lost some fur, but it's all good. Next, we have 2-piece 17 by 5 by 10mm Lapis faceted pendants. Faceted teardrops. They're not pendants, they're just teardrops. I love Lapis. I think Lapis is so pretty, and I like the way it's faceted. On that, I'm going to set those in here. I'm going to set all my pendants in there. Next, we have 8mm Labradorite round beads, 15 inches. And let's see, where is that? 8mm Labradorite. There we go. And so, they're gray. They're not as dark as the pendant, but they are I like Labradorite. It's one of my favorite. Labradorite and Lapis. Just because they usually have such an interesting sheen to them. Lapis, if you get the really good grade A, you'll see flecks of gold in the Lapis, which I absolutely love. It'll be darker, so this is probably B grade. It's got the white in it. A grade Lapis has less white, and more of, and I don't know if you can see it on this, there is flecks of gold in it, but it usually will have more. Next we have number 4, and that is 4mm faceted dyed agate beads, midnight mix. And so, ooh, those are pretty. I can see those being a bead embroidery, or actually I've got ideas because I saw something wire wrapped related, and I probably have the silver wire to do this with because I think silver would go best with these. So we'll have to stay tuned. I'm going to have to try it. And then if I do the one, I'll show you how to do the second earring. And it actually goes with this theme too. Okay, so next we have 3mm Laborite faceted round beads. That's these. And these sparkle too. They're faceted. Anything faceted for stones will sparkle more than round polish. Round will be shiny, but faceted will sparkle in the light. And so I can see these going on silver as well. So I may do a combination of both of these. Or maybe just the Labradorite. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. All right, so that was number 5. Number 6, we have 10mm Lapis dyed matte round beads. So these are Lapis dyed. They're dyed. And they're matte. So those remind me of jeans. I don't know why, but they remind me of jeans, like denim. So I don't know if you can see that real well, but it just reminds me of a pair of jeans. Oops, I'm throwing beads. So, while I'm getting the next one set up, funny story, they redid my driveway about a week ago, and they have yet to come back and pull up the forms and take up the cones and finish, and I'm still without a driveway. It's kind of funny. It takes 7 days for it to cure, so I was kind of hoping they'd come back today, but it doesn't look like they'll be back until Monday. So, all right, number 7 is Larvikite rondelle beads. I don't know what Larvikite is, but it's black gray. I like this. This actually, I really like this together. The blues and the grays. I like that. That's a very pretty palette right there. Next we have 8mm freshwater shell coin beads with AB printing. Okay, so these remind me of moons, little tiny moons. Which is funny that it came out in the shape of a heart there. But yeah, little tiny moons. I'm gonna set those over here. I can see those being little moons, and maybe we'll do some wire wrapping with that and make like a little moon. Ooh, that gives me ideas. I'm getting ideas, guys. I'm sorry about the noisy cars, if you can hear that. Okay, number 9 is 6mm glass round beads in matte indigo. So these are gonna match or be similar in, ooh, those are very, very blue, almost purple. That I like. Those are gonna go nice with those jeans. I'm sorry, those beads are forever going to be denim in my mind. Sparkly, but denim. All right. I probably should have counted those. We'll count them later. Number 10 is 6mm star cut crystal faceted beads. Yes. Very, very pretty. So these are these are slate vitriol purple. They look kind of yellow to me, but those are gorgeous. Oh, those are absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna set those guys right in here. And I really hate these wire thingies sometimes. This ain't even 26 gauge wire. It's more like, I don't know, 30 gauge. And be careful when you're unstringing these, because this kind of stuff will cut your fingers. Which is why I usually just cut it off. Just because it will fray and it will cut you quite easily. That's pretty together. Oh, I know what I'm doing with all of these little ones. You're going to like that. Next, we have 2-piece 37mm filigree style crescent moon pendants. And I actually have some of these in my stash in gold and silver. These are awesome because you can put a dangle in here and then you can hang it from a necklace. My only complaint is I wish they were mirrored so that, you know, I could make earrings out of them, because I really hate earrings being the same direction, so these will just end up having to be a pendant. Next we have 10-piece 14 by 11 or 24 by 11 filigree style links. And these are cool. I saw these as I was dumping the bag out. Those are really kind of awesome. Oh, jeans. Antique jeans. Oh gosh. I'm getting so many ideas. So many ideas. Alright, next we have 30 pieces patterned saucer spacer beads. And actually, I'm going to move these up here for now, because we've got so many components in this. It's amazing. So these are the patterned saucer spacer beads, and they've got a lot of detail on them. These are really fun. I like those. I'm gonna have so much fun with this. We are gonna have so much fun with this. Next we have, oh, and I skipped one. We have 20-piece star charms. I have some of these in my stash. I don't know if I'll use all of them. I may use some of them. I'm going to put those up here. I like those. I actually use those when I make my red, white, and blue bracelets, my flag bracelets. I put a star on it. All right. Next we have filigree style leaf charms. And I went out of order, but that's fine. These are cute. I have some of these in a different, actually in gold in my stash. I use leaf charms. I'm going to set those in here because we've got a lot of next we have 8mm dotted 4-leaf spacer beads. I absolutely love these. These are awesome. I don't even want to put those like where you can't see. I want to put those flat down like that with like a bead on it. Not even that. That would be too big, but I think that would look really cool. I might have to do something embroidery style with that, because I think that would look really cool, having those with a bead just setting on top of them like that. Ooh, yes. All right. Anyways, I love these. I'm going to set these in here with my shells. I may have to get some more of those because 30 pieces just isn't going to do it for me. And then we have, and I'm skipping, but we have 1 meter steel oval jewelry chain. And so this is just basic chain in like antique copper or antique bronze, whatever this is. I think it's antique copper. I love that. And then lastly, I'm not taking these out of the bag, is the clamshell beads. So the antique copper clamshell beads to match your beads. I absolutely love this. And I love that I got a lot of these little beads, because I have an idea, and I'm just going to tell you, it's going to be a pair of earrings. I'm going to try it. I saw it. I thought it looked really cool. I may go with the antique copper, or just copper in general with that, just because I do think the copper might look good. And then we'll do those. I'll show you how to do that. It's going to be a fairly simple pair of earrings, but I think you'll enjoy it. And then I've got so much, I have so many ideas. Now, with that being said, I've already started, like, I got in my curated bead box yesterday, so, like, literally I'm filming these back to back and then releasing them on my Monday, Thursday schedule. I already started designing with the curated bead box, and I've already got, like, 3 things designed out. I just need to, finish working on those, and then, yeah, so you'll get to see that coming up, and then we'll get to do some stuff with this. We'll do some wire wrapping with these beads. I may do some wire wrapping with these as well, and, you know, maybe do some wire wrapping and put a star charm on it. Who knows? We'll see. I've got too many ideas. Anyways, I'm going to end this for now. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. I'm going to lift this up just so you can see a little better everything. And so this is the Mystic Moonrise collection from Bargain Bead Box. Bravo, Bargain Bead Box. Absolutely amazing. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.